Yes, I do believe art can heal because it's a very therapeutic kind of thing to do.
I'm able to release any stress.
A safe space to just be creative without being judged.
Especially can attach emotions to colors.
And it was a lot of fun. It's something I've never done before.
A different perspective,
explore our emotions and be able to express them through art.
And it helped me release some of them, release some of the tensions and the stress that I was feeling and that I was keeping inside.
I've never seen myself as an artist, and so I had that fear at the beginning, but I soon discovered that it didn't matter. It really didn't matter. I found myself opening up through the instructions of the course and really being able to let go, and that feels great.
Art4Healing provided a creative outlet for my emotions. It is surprisingly refreshing and satisfying.
I was released and relaxed at the end of the session.
I have joined it twice, and each time I discover something new.
Art4Healing is a method designed by Lori Zagon to help people express their emotions when it's difficult to articulate. It's a process that supports emotional healing for those living with anxiety, fear, grief, pain, and stress. The workshops are encouraging, they're inspiring, they help build self-worth, and they're fun. Every session is a treasured experience. Each is a different highlight, but all of them are valuable.